Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your username in the PlantIn app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube review statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open the PlantIn app. And here it opens up in My Plants. From here we just have to go into More in the bottom right corner. Tap on the little cog icon in the top right corner. Then tap on username, and here we can change it to whatever we want to, and then tap on save to save the new username. And if we want to change it again, we can do it again, and there is no limit to these modifications. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.